Okay, this tutorial is regarding end of rental refunds and charges. From your current reservations, you're going to click on Calculate for the item in question. You will be brought to this page. The order information is listed at the top. There's a field for description of credits and an amount. There's a field for description of charges and an amount. There's a field for the security deposit collected. You can change that if it changed at the time of pickup. It defaults to what you were asking for, and it will record a return date for the current date. So 95% of your rentals you're not going to have credits or charges, and they will have given you the proper security deposit, in which case you leave everything blank and as is, click Calculate. You'll be brought to this page. Credits, charges, these are all blank. Deposit collected $1,000. Refund amount, today's date, and the $1,000 you collected. And then down here at the bottom it has an itemization of their charges, rental, tax, and a total. And then you'd click Save and Print. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to show you a couple of examples of credits and charges. Let's say we're going to give this renter one night. We were charging $89, and let's just try that one. Calculate. Okay, so it shows the credit and the description, one night, $89, sales tax credited, total credit is $95.10. The difference here, this is showing the difference between the charges and the credits. In this case, there is no difference. So it calculates the entire amount that you would refund. In this case, it's $1,095.10. Then down here in the itemization, you're going to have, for a credit, $89. Total charges then, $1,420 minus 89 is $1,331. Initial tax was $97. Tax credit is $610. New sales tax is $91.18. So $1,331 and $91.18 is $1,422. Fairly straightforward. When you click Save and Print, you'll be able to print this, give your customer a receipt. I usually print two, one for them and one for me. Now in this case, we're going to have some charges. Let's say cleaning, and we'll have an amount of just $50 this time. And let's say, for instance, they shorted us $20 on the deposit, so we only got $9.80 for a deposit. See how that looks on these calculations. Alright, credits, same as before. Charges, cleaning, $50, $3.43 tax, total charge of $53.43. Now the difference between $95.10 and $53.43 is $41.67, and so we add that to this $9.80, and the refund amount is $1021.67. That's a fairly complicated calculation that we did fairly quickly. Should make your life real easy on these returns. And then down here in the itemization, again, total rental. The difference without the tax is $39. $13.81 was their rental. Initial tax $97. Tax credit $267. New tax 94, so 1381 and 94 is 1475.81. Alright, let's try one without a credit at all. And see how that looks. Credits are gone. Cleaning $50, $53.43 with tax. $980 minus $53.43 is $926 is what you would refund in this case. And then the itemizations, $1421.50 brings it to $1470, $97 initial tax, $343 new tax, total tax $171.14, and 100 is $1570. Now I want to do a real complicated one here. Let's give them one night again. $89, but these people were pigs, which you won't see very often. I'm going to charge them $1,200, and let's, for simplicity, say they paid us the full $1,000. See what we get here. Alright, same deal on the credit, $95.10. Cleaning, $1,200, $82 tax, comes to $1,282. The difference is $1,187.10. Deduct the $1,000 and they owe you $187.10. You can charge that to your customer however you want. I would demand cash, and you always have small claims court if they decide not to pay, but those would be your options at this point. Down here in the itemization, $14.20, charges $11.11. That's the $11.87 without the tax. Total charge is $25.31. Initial tax, new tax $76. Total tax $173 brings their total rental to $27.04. This is their receipt, so they have a receipt for what they paid. And you always want to make sure you put descriptions in here and your credits and your charges. Okay, so this one we're going to save and print. I'll show you what this looks like. Just gives you the same information. You click print, brings open a printable page. You can print two of these, it has the same information on it. Just keep one for yourself and give one to your customer. And then you click finish, and there will be a tutorial for how to finish. And that's all there is for this tutorial. Thank you.